So I'm Duff, middle of nowhere, and today I gotta wash these out. Just basic scrubbing. And the thing is, just use the fucking thing. That's it. That's all it is. There, yeah. Seconds done. But you can't leave them wet. Just gotta dry them off. All right. Yeah. Like that. Done. I've cleaned them all up. They're nice and shiny, clean, no dirt, nothing like that, because you got to get all that shit off. So I've got 7 different types. This is just the same stacks. There's like 7 different types. These are the 2 broken ones that are like that. So, see the broken part in there. That's step 2. Very, very simple. That took a while. It's Halloween. I've got that open, and I'm going to be doing other stuff. This is just to make a walkway down. But I got to fucking board that back up. Because I don't really have candy for kids today. No, fucking don't let kids rot their teeth. I'll do it myself. That is what I'm going to put it on, okay? The cells are 8 inches long, and those are 6 inches wide. So they're a little over. But that bottom one is coffee brown. That's the same color as my garage. I had to put that up there just only because, well, they fucked up, and these are 2 shorter pieces, and that was the last part of my garage. And if I can get the coffee brown one on top of the garage, then I can get it look like it's incognito. You wouldn't notice it, except you'd see a bunch of fucking cells. There, you can see, yeah. Brown, coffee brown. That's another thing I gotta do. I gotta paint that part. But I'm gonna get these inside. I'm Duff from the middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, comment, and like always, have a good one.